In this video, we will be talking about the oral vocabulary words for Unit 5, Week 5. Our first vocabulary word is project. A project is something you work on, such as a drawing or a picture. When we finish our art projects, we display them so everyone can see them. What kind of projects have you worked on at school? Say it with me. Project. Our next vocabulary word is structure. A structure is something that has been built, such as a house or a bridge. Julia likes to build different kinds of structures with her blocks. What kinds of structures can be found in our town? Say it with me. Structure. Our next vocabulary word is contented. If you are contented, you are pleased or happy. Janice felt contented after she won the prize. What makes you feel contented? Say it with me. Contented. Our next vocabulary word is intend. If you intend to do something, you are planning to do something. I intend to play basketball after school today. What do you intend to do today? Say it with me. Intend. Our last vocabulary word for this week is marvelous. If something is marvelous, it is wonderful or excellent. The fruit salad tastes marvelous. What foods do you think are marvelous? Say it with me. Marvelous. And those are our vocabulary words for Unit 5, Week 5.